Yo guys, what is going on? In today's video, we're doing another Fortnite dev tutorial. And as you guys can see, I just gifted myself the Renegade Raider. So, if you guys want to learn how to do this, make sure to watch the whole entire video. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment below. And also, comment something random just to help me out in the video. Like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. I haven't posted a Fortnite dev video in a while, but I know a lot of you guys have been missing it, so I am back and I'm going to be doing daily upload grinds, so yeah. But as you guys can see, we have 1,000,000 V-Bucks and our level is 150. We have the Renegade Raider and we have all the cosmetics in the game. Just to note, this is using a Fortnite Private Server. This doesn't affect your actual Epic Games account, and this is completely safe and does not have any viruses at all. Yeah guys, we also do have the OG styles like Pink Gold Trooper, and we have the OG Skull Trooper. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we do. So, and we do have Aerial. So, there's also a lot of things that you can do with this dev. I'm going to be covering that all in this video. So, as I said earlier, make sure to watch the whole entire video, and now let's get started. So, obviously, if you guys are already in Fortnite, just close out. Make sure you guys are on PC when you guys do this. So guys, what you guys want to do is once you guys are exit out of Fortnite, you also do need to be on PC to do this. Make sure to join the Boogie FN Discord server. That will be linked down below. So make sure to join that. It will be the first link in the description below. Well, one of those links. And join, because that's the way you're gonna have to. That's how you're gonna get this Fortnite dev account. So once you guys are in, I recommend going over the fact and the rule. So once you guys go over this stuff, you guys can just react whatever. Okay. Once you guys go over this stuff, you guys can go into the Get Boogie FN, and then there is a tutorial. Obviously, my tutorial is better if you're watching this, so I wouldn't watch that because I'm just a better YouTuber. But just go in this link right here. Just press this, and it will take you to a link advertise. And then once you guys are here, if you guys do have the premium version of link advertise, you guys don't have to watch ads, but you want to go on free access. And if you do have an ad blocker, just go on to turn off your ad blocker. Mine is off right now. But then once you guys are here, you just want to go on free access. And then just press download website. You might have to do a couple of stuff like go on like read topics of websites, but there will be like an exit button. You guys just press that. You just have to wait 3 seconds. If you guys are confused, like I said, leave a comment below. But once you guys are here, press download website and then press save. And one thing that I recommend doing is going to your settings. And then go on to the Windows security settings and virus and threat protection. This will take you to a window here. And then go and manage settings and turn off real-time protection. Obviously, like I said earlier, you guys can do this at your own free will. If you guys don't feel comfortable doing this, you guys don't have to. This doesn't violate Epic Games terms of service at all. It's completely safe. So once you guys have that, you guys want to click the download and then just press yes. And then just press OK. And then these are there's going to be a whole bunch of ads. Just press skip all. But obviously I already installed this, so I don't have to go through that process again. But then just press next. Oh, I do have to go to it. So then just press skip all. And then just press open. Press save. And it will download the launcher. Now I'm just going to get rid of all this stuff. And you guys can drag this onto your launcher, like onto your desktop like that. Then you guys can double click it and press more info, run anyway. Now it will go on the launcher, and I don't know what Boogie FN Private is, but specifically for this video, it's gonna be Boogie FN Hybrid. So if you guys don't have if you guys don't have Fortnite installed, you guys need to have Fortnite installed because it runs through your program files. So click the 3 dots. And then go on local disk. And then go on program files. And then you guys are gonna want to go on Epic Games. So locate where Epic Games is. Right here. And then you want to press Fortnite. And then right here, you guys just want to press select folder. And then just press launch. And you know it worked when you get this little message in the bottom left-hand corner. Right-hand corner, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, well, this is long. It's been a long time since I recorded, so it's just gonna say logging in, and just let it log in. Just let it do its thing. You know. And then you guys should be in, and you guys have 1 million V-Bucks, 100,000 gold bars, and 100,000 battle stars. So yeah, you have 100,000 battle stars. You guys can literally claim everything. And if you guys do want to gift yourself, I'm gonna show you guys right here. So once you're in the server, you just want to go in the chat and don't mind my previous messages, and then just go on /login and link your Epic Games account. What you guys want to do is go on the site, and then you guys are gonna want to go on this image. You guys want to press that link and then go on to that site, and you guys want to look for this code right here. Just where it says Fortnite auth, go on that, and then it'll be a submit code button. I already did it, but just go on submit code and then just copy and paste that code. So yeah, and then once you guys have done that, you guys should be able to gift yourself. For example, you guys can type in /gift, and then whatever thing you want to gift, you can get V-Bucks, and then just gift like 100,000, and then there. And then you guys do need to change your skin to do this, so just change your skin. Actually, I never tried it with V-Bucks, so I don't know if it's gonna work yet. But let's try again. We'll do /gift, and then do skin, and let's just do the Renegade Raider and press accept. And then change your skin. And there you guys go. You guys do have the Renegade Raider skin. So yeah, guys, obviously this is working right now. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave them down below. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.